Welcome back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and learn about file input and output. Alright, so we'll go ahead and learn about file input and output. How can you read files in your own system? That is very important that we know that. So here on my desktop, I created a folder called CS file, and here go ahead and create a text file. Go ahead and let the name of the text file be C#. So that is C#.txt, and now let's go ahead and copy the part of this file. Go ahead and copy the part of this file. Alright, now go ahead and minimize this. I'll go back right inside here and create a string, and I'll name that fname for my file name. Fname equal to string. Alright, so go ahead and press that, and you can see that all these are backward slash, and go ahead and put backward slash C#. That is the name of C#.txt. Go ahead and place semicolon, and let's go ahead and ensure that is the name C#.txt. Okay, now we can see we have our backward slashes. Most times you go ahead and put this to be forward slash, and I'll show you another way to do that. Go outside here and put @ Now you have @ and you can see that arrow is gone from here. Then the next thing you need to do is go inside here and say using system.io. So have using system.io and place semicolon. That is for the file input and output. So with this you can be able to check in the location of the file. Now let's go outside here, create a method, and let's call that to be static void write. Static void write file. So that is the name of that static void write file. So go ahead and pass in string fname, which we just created below. Now we go ahead and write to our file. So go ahead and write to this file right now. So go ahead and say file dot write all text. Can you see that down here? Write all text, and you're going to write that into fname. Comma, then go ahead and say hello world C#, and go ahead and place the semicolon right here. Alright, so now once you do that, you have to come down here and call this method. Go ahead and call write file. So go ahead and call write file and place semicolon at the end. So once you call that, go ahead and pass in fname right in there. So that is fname. That is a uppercase F, and come back here and put this to be uppercase F as well, and not lowercase f, and here also uppercase F. Can you see that? So that is the file we're going to write here. Check out this file. Nothing is inside this file already. Okay, let's reduce the format so you can be able to read this file whenever it is out. Whenever we print that, So go ahead and reduce that to be 12, right? Size 12. So you don't need to do this. I adjusted this because we're going to read this file right now. Okay, so go ahead and minimize this. Let's minimize, close this. Now go ahead and run this code and check it out. So we have written it to this file. Go ahead and open your file. This is my file, c#.txt. Double click on that. You can see this 1 kilobyte and the hello world C#. Can you see that? Hello world C#. Close that. You can see this 1 kilobyte right now. Previously it was 0 kilobyte. Alright, now how can you be able to read the file? Let's go ahead and say static void read file. Can you name this anything of your own choice? And let this string fname. String fname. So we are reading from this part. This is the file part we are reading from, okay? So we have learned how to write to the file and want to read this content we just wrote to the file. That is hello world C#. How can you be able to read the content from that? That is what you need to do now. Go ahead and say console dot write line, because we were printing this on the console. File dot read all text. Okay, and go ahead and pass in the file part. It's going to read. That is fname. Alright, go ahead and place semicolon at the end and come right inside here. We can comment this because you already written to your file, and go ahead and call read file, because you have something inside the file right now, and pass in fname. Go ahead and place semicolon at the end, and now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Alright, so that came up and went off. Go ahead and put a console.read key. Put a semicolon at the end and run this code one more time. So hello world C#, we are able to read the content of the file because this is what is in the file, and we are able to go ahead and read that. Close that. Now go back to the file, open this file, and you can change this content as say C# programming is. Wow, is that is? C# programming is interesting. Now go ahead and save that. Close that, minimize this, and run this code one more time. Let's check it out. C# programming is interesting, so you can be able to read the content of the file. I hope that is interesting. The code is very before you. That is the simplest way of writing to a file and reading from this file. Okay, so put this code down on your own system, you play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section. But before we go ahead to end that, I will show you another way to change this file path without putting at. Go ahead and change all this to be / Can you see there? / and arrow will go off / because it's seen that that's an escape character. That is why it's underlining that. Now if you go ahead and run this code, let's check it out. He's going to reach the part of the file. Can you see there? C# programming is interesting. So it was able to read that without putting the at. So I'll have to show you everything about this so you can be able to practice with them and enjoy that. So thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.